Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to solve this error, class not found exception, when using Mapstruct with Lombok. So let's get started. In a previous video, we implemented small projects that use Mapstruct. So we defined two entities, one DTO and one domain, and we provided an interface annotated with the mapper from the Mapstruct library, and we defined a method, and we have seen that on runtime. So we created this test on runtime, and implementation is provided by this library. So let's run this test. So this method from the interface gets implemented and the transfers happens here. Let's have a look on our entities. We see that we have some boilerplate, so therefore in this video we will use Lombok to get rid of them. So let's remove this and just annotate this with data from Lombok, and we will provide this constructor, and we do the same here. We remove all this stuff here and annotate the class with data, so no need for any constructor here. We need to reinstall the package. Let's see what's happened. We have an error. It says that the properties is not present. So this is because this property, this getter, should be provided by Lombok, and for some reason it is not there. So what we can do in our POM, we have already the Lombok dependency. However, similar to what we did here, we need to instruct the compiler where to get the Lombok annotation. To achieve that, we need to add this information here. So we are just telling the compiler to where to get this annotation. However, this is not enough. We need to add another dependency. Some Lombok provide a jar file to work together with Mapstruct. It is a recent one, so we need to add these new artifacts here, Lombok Mapstruct binding, this one, and we need to do the same here. We need to instruct the compiler where to get this information, and therefore we will add this information here, org project Lombok. So now let's clean up and install the project. And as you see, bit success. Let's run the test and see if it works. And you see it works as well. So it is important. This is the way how to bind Lombok with Mapstruct. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and bye.